Welcome students, and in today's class I will be discussing about the northern plain. The northern plain that lies in the northern part of India. The northern plain has been formed by the interplay of three major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. This plain is formed by alluvium soil lying at the foothills of the Himalayas over years and made this plain very fertile. With a rich soil cover with adequate water supply and favorable climate, it is agriculturally very productive part of India. And the rivers, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra, as it flows in the lower course, it spills into numerous channels. And due to the disposition of silt, these channels are known as distributaries. As we can see here in this map, the rivers, Ganga, we can see many tributaries with even your Yamuna. These are the distributaries. Now students, this Ganga plain, this northern plain is broadly divided into three sections: the Punjab plain, the Ganga plain and the Brahmaputra plain. The Punjab plain lies in the western part of northern plain, formed by Indus and its tributaries. The large part of this plain lies in Pakistan. The Indus, its tributaries like Jhelum, Chenab, the Ravi, the Beas, the Satluj, that originate from Himalayas. This section of this plain is dominated by Doab. And students, Doab is made up of two words, Do meaning two and Ab means water. So Punjab is also made up of two words, Punjab, that means five water, that is your Satluj, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Jhelum. Now students, the Ganga plain extends between Ghagra that lies in the western side of India, and it is not visible in the map. The Ghagra river is not visible, and in the east if we go, it is limited within the northern part of Bengal, within the river Tista. So we can say that the Ganga plain extends between Ghagar and Tista river. It spreads over the state of North India, Haryana, Delhi, UP, Bihar, part of Jharkhand and West Bengal. And student, the last is the Brahmaputra plain. And students, it lies in Assam. Both sides of the Assam, it divides the Assam into two parts, the North Assam and the South Assam. So it flows from eastern side of Arunachal Pradesh. As it comes down, it moves towards the Bangladesh, and the plain in between them, in between this river, Brahmaputra river, is the Brahmaputra plain. Now students, we will be discussing about the Bhabar, Terai, Bhangar, Khadar and river valley. The river valley, after descending from the mountain, this as we can see here, after it descends from the mountain, you see here, this region is known as Bhabar. All the streams disappear in this Bhabar belt. Picture wise, it is like this. Then after this Bhabar, this region comes Terai. Students, the south of this belt, streams and rivers are emerge and create a wet, swampy and marshy region. This region, especially after the Bhavar, this part of this region in this picture, this region is known as Terai, and they are very swampy, marshy. Marshy means कीचड़ type. Clear है? This is what the picture of Terai. It looks like this. So after it descends from Himalayas, this part is known as Bhavar. This region is known as Terai. Now students, as it moves downwards, we will get the Bhangar region. Now students, this largest part of northern plain is formed by older alluvium. They lie above the flat plains of the river and present a terrace-like features. And this part is known as Bhangar. This part, after it leave this Terai region, this part is known as Bhangar. Picture wise it looks like this. Then comes your Kankar. The picture is showing here. Here somewhere lies the Kankar, and picture wise the Kankar region looks like this. And finally Khaddar. And the newer and younger deposits of the flat plains are also known as Khaddar. So thank you students.